You got him?
Yeah. Get up close.
You ready? You think I can hold him?
Go put your finger up there.
They're like, okay, there's so many people watching. This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted all of his life. Here, I'll try it. You gonna pet me?
He's gonna bite you.
They're like shiny. They're like shiny. Let's try this one.
Yeah. Hey, you can play salty take that diamond out of that.
What kind of bird is that?
I don't know.
It's a friendly bird.
It's an aquarium bird.
Oh
my God!
Okay, wow.
Brian, look. Nellie's the bird lady.
I'm the bird lady. Hear me roar.
Come to me. Come, children of the air. You should take donations.
$5 a picture. Now I can poop on you. He's gonna poop on my arm.
Yeah, let's get the hand sanitizer.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
He jumped on me. It's not like I grabbed him and put him there.
You have to put him back on the post.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move.
You have to put him back on the post.
Where, baby? I see. I know.
Here, Ma.
Oh, did you see that?
Hold it. I'm gonna take a picture.
You wanna come with us?
Wait, Brian. Let me take a picture.
Thanks, baby.
Smile.
I'm a part of the exhibition now. He's gonna poop on my shoulder. I know it. You ready? Let's go.
Wait a minute, baby.
Oh, we're gonna take him with us.
Hey, look at me.